Hello guys, so welcome in our third lecture, in a third video of Numpy and Pandas data analytics course. Okay, so in today's session, we are going to see very important thing, which is something known as array slicing. Okay, so I hope most of you know what does the slicing means, right? Slicing means to extract some part of the element or some part of the list, okay, some part of the array from the existing array, okay? So it is not, 1D slicing is easy, right? So you know the index number, based on the index number, you can slice it, okay? But here I will show you how you can do slicing in 2D arrays also, okay? So let's say that I will make one array here, okay? So let's say I have one array. Let's say I will do, in the last session, we have seen np.arange function, right? So I will do a equals np.arange, okay? And here I'll pass two parameters, let's say 1 comma 51, okay? So what it will do, it will generate a number from 1 to 51, correct? It will do 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will keep on going till 50, right? It will go till n minus 1, right? So it will do this thing, okay? But what we will do is we will now reshape it, okay? We will do a equals a dot reshape, okay? And then here reshape, what we'll do is we will reshape into 10 is to 5. That means I will get 10 rows and 5 columns, okay? So how it will look like, okay? I will quickly try to write it here, okay? So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you will get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it will be like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then it will be more 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. We are almost done, guys. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Two more rows left here. And then it will be like 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Sorry, it should start from 41, okay? It will go till 45, okay? And then the last one will be 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So this is how this thing reshape will look like, okay? It will make an array of 10 is to 5, okay? Now let's say this is the array, okay? Now let's say if I try to print something like, if I try to do this thing, this is my array A, correct? Now if I try to do here A of 3 comma 4. So what does it mean? A of 3 comma 4, what does it mean? So guys, this is nothing but this means that third row, it means that third row, okay? And this means fourth column, okay? Third row, fourth column, okay? So third row, 0, 1, 2, 3. Third row, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column, correct? 20. So the output for this you will get is 20. So this is how it will look like, okay? So you will make it, you will get a third row, fourth column value, okay? Now let's say if you have done A of 2 colon 5. So what does it mean? So guys, it means that it will print second, third, and fourth row, okay? The output you will get for this is second, third, and fourth row, okay? Because you have given 2 to 5, right? So it will print second, third, and fourth, okay? Which is second row, second, third, fourth. So the output for this will be something like 0, 1, 2. So it will start from 11, correct? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like this. And then it will be like 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So you got second, third, and fourth row in the output screen, okay? So this is also okay, right? Now let's say if in this, if you try to do something like here, A of 0 colon 10, okay? If you try to do A of 0 colon 10. So what does it mean? So it means that it will print all the rows. All the rows will get printed, correct? Why? Because there is all the rows, right? All the rows will printed. Now it means like you have started from the 0th row and you will go till the last row, okay? In the same manner, let's say if you have given A of 0 to 20, okay? Now there are only 10 rows, so it is possibility that this will give the error, right? But this won't give you the error, okay? It will also print all the rows, okay? It will also print all the rows, okay? So that's how the numpys work. It won't give you the array. It won't give you the error in this case. It will give you all the rows here also, okay? Now let's move to a little bit more high level, okay? Now let's say if I try to do A of 0 colon 10, this is what we have seen right now, correct? Now let's say it will, if I try to do A of colon comma 2, A of colon comma 2, okay? So what means? It means that it will print second column of all rows, okay? Second column of all rows, okay? So which is second column? 0, 1, 2. This is the second column, right? All the rows of second column, okay? So the output you can see is 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, followed by 38, followed by 34, right? It should 33, 38, followed by 43, comma 48, right? This is what you are going to get in the output screen, okay? So yeah, so this means, so guys, don't be confused here, okay? So it simply means, right? Here it simply means this, whatever is written before comma, okay? This one, it means rows, okay? It means rows. And whatever is written after comma, it means columns, okay? So this is how this thing works, okay? So now let's say you have something like A of 2 colon 5 comma 4. A of 2 colon 5 comma 4. So guys, I hope you guys understood here. It will print fourth column. Okay, it will print fourth column of second, third, and fourth rows. So guys, tell me what will be the output for this in the comment box, okay? I told you this thing, so now it's very easy to predict the output, okay? So I hope you guys understand what does the slicing means, and now you will able to do all types of slicing easily with the 2D array, okay? Thank you. So stay tuned for more sessions, guys. Thank you.